So here we're at the Huckin residence. We're going to be doing a fascia replacement and a fascia capping, as well as a gutter replacement. We're going to be doing a 5K system for the garage, both the front and the rear, as well as the breezeway, front and rear. And then we'll be doing a 5K for the front, just on the left portion of the main house. And then we'll be doing a 6K gutter on the rear. Here we're going to be doing a fascia replacement, as well as capping the fascia and then putting on a new gutter and downspout. Existing, we had one gutter run here and then another one along the rear of the garage. It actually shared the downspout that went right into this drain pipe here. What we're going to be doing is setting them up with a new gutter that's going to then drain out along the edge of the garage wall right over there.